Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing my new accent chair for this room. And here's a picture of how it looked, guys. So if you want to see how I unbox my chair, stay tuned. Okay, guys, here I am, here to unbox my new accent chair for this space. Yes, guys, and this does not take long, guys, to put together at all. So here, this is the screws and everything that come with the chair. Um, and also, guys, it only has 4 parts to it. It has the back of the chair, and also it has the seat, and the legs are attached. The front and back legs are attached, which you will see that later in the video how it comes about. But yeah, guys, it only takes 5 minutes to put together. And this part here is the back part of the chair. Now, the only thing I did thought that I did got the reviews on the chair. Everybody loved the chair. I can also move this chair to my desk because my desk go up and down. But I was looking for the chair to be a little bit taller. But hey, with the space, it fits perfectly in the space. It's not nothing that to take over the space. Love it, guys. Love it, guys. Love it. So, guys, um, yes, you can see here, this is the seat. And just like I say, it is very easy to put together. So, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content. So, guys, you see these are the legs. These are the front and the back legs, but they are attached together on that. But I was just looking into the box to see that I had any more parts, but I didn't. So, guys, this is the guide to the chair or putting the chair together. But I happened to look over it, but it was so simple. You actually did not even need the directions. That's how easy it was to put together because it shows you the arrows and everything, where everything go on the chair. So I just glanced over it. Didn't read it at all. So that's how easy it was to put together. It's just like you can pretty much been blindfold and put it together. That's how simple it was. So, guys, let's get into putting this chair together. So, at the end of the video, you'll see how I decorate the chair, show how the chair looks with like you having a throw, a pillow, whatever. And I also did it without. So, you can see here now that I am taking all of the wrapping off of the legs, because one side is the front leg and the other side is the back side of the leg, because it is attached. Very, very simple, guys. So, guys, let's continue watching the video. And guys, give this video a thumbs up so YouTube will know how to push my videos out. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Until the next video, guys, y'all be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
I was a girl with dreams so wide, eyes full of wonder, heart open, untied. The world seems soft, a place to lay. Ran through the days in the sun's warm sway. But somewhere along the road, I felt the shift. The days turned heavy like an unseen rift. The girl that I was began to fade, and in her place, a new self was made. I'm in between, I'm not quite all, a girl, a woman, both in my soul. Learning to balance, learning to be in the struggle. I find the real me. I feel the pull of who I should be, caught between the past and what I can see. The weight of the change rests on my chest. Questions that made no sense. I was a girl with dreams so wide, eyes full of wonder, heart open, untied. The world seems soft, a place to play. I ran through the days in the sun's warm sway. Somewhere along the road, I felt the shift. The days turned heavy like an unseen rift. The girl that I was began to fade, and in her place, a new self was made. I'm in between, I'm not quite all, a woman, both in my soul. Learning to balance, learning to be. The struggle, I find the real me. I'm not quite all, a woman, both in my soul. Learning to balance, learning to be. The struggle, I find the real me. I'm in between, I'm not quite, a woman, both in my soul. Learning to be. In the struggle, I find I'm in between. I'm not quite all, a girl, a woman, both in my soul. I'm learning the struggle to find the real me. I'm not quite, a girl, a woman, both in my soul. Learning to balance, I'm learning in the struggle, find the real me. I'm not quite a girl, a woman, both in my soul. Learning to balance, learning to be. The struggle, I find the real me. Spinning like a broken record, a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do.